I used to live right opposite to the main Green Park Road. On the left, those used to be our. अब पता 3-4-5 साल पहले एक बूम आया था पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का. सोशल मीडिया में बहुत बढ़िया पेज बना दिया, 20,000 फॉलोअर्स आ गए. That's not all. On another note, how was the session?
It was motivational.
It's a Monday morning and we're all pumped up so much for today. Today is very special. Why? Because I'm heading back to my alma mater, which is NIFT Delhi. I did my Masters of Design from NIFT Delhi. That was one of the greatest things in my life that I kind of achieved. I'm going there for a guest lecture. It's basically on personal branding for the students of Masters of Design, which I also studied back in 2016. It is a 2-year course, so I'm going to address the second semester students today and talk about personal branding, why is it important, what are the 4 pillars of personal branding, how one can literally do it, why should you do it, and then we have a lot of fun exercises also planned for the students there just to keep it more interactive and fun so that they don't sleep really. To give you a quick context, I did 4 years of electricals and electronics engineering and I was like done. I told my parents, हो गया बस बहुत अब एक को करना है जो मुझे करना है and just let me be. So I was studying in my 4th year for the design colleges. Surprisingly, I got into NIFT Delhi. I also got All India rank 18 and there were only I think 55 seats. When I got the result, I was on top of the world and I was like, let's just go and achieve your dreams. I really like to get what I want out of my life. You really need to work hard if you want to achieve anything in your own life, and I do believe that you only live once. So that's why I'm so excited. I'm in touch with all my mentors there who kind of helped me throughout my course and everything, so they were kind enough to invite me. I'm gonna walk you all through my campus. I spent almost 2 years there, so it's definitely an emotional feeling. Just going through the presentations so that we know we are ready for today.
With your big Stanley Cup.
Just hope Amandeep gives me the presentation before I end up there. Wow, he's made it. He will live big. You will not die soon. Looks cool. Make your space. The design world is crowded. Talent alone is not enough. We're figuring out our way around. If we're almost there, reaching in 2 minutes. We are right, see U-turn. I'm coming here after almost 8 years.
Are you nervous?
No, why will I? No, I'm not nervous at all. I'm all game and I'm gonna have lots and lots of fun. I'm here to inspire a lot of people because today where they're sitting, I was sitting there like 10 years ago. So I used to live right opposite to the main Green Park Road for roughly about a month or so, and then I moved in with my 2 other flatmates in GK. So we used to just walk and come to the campus and we take a right and then the campus is almost there. I want you to click a picture of me there. Come, let's go.
Let's take a picture.
On the left, those used to be our classrooms and this was our classroom. 1-2 classes हमारी यहाँ भी होती थी, I think in this room. This is the access to design department. This is the canteen. काफी better हो गई है पहले से. This is the amphitheater. Most of the fashion shows and other shows kind of happen here. Ramp है यहाँ पे. तो जो भी बच्चे सारे कलेक्शन निकालते थे, जिस भी सेमेस्टर के उनका फाइनल सेमेस्टर का शो यहीं होता. So that is the hostel, girls hostel only. Now we are heading to Kavita ma'am's room. She is the course coordinator of Masters of Design, so she called me here. So जाके मिलते हैं उनसे. It's too hot here. I don't know हम कैसे survive करते थे. पर अब जोश था ना पढ़ाई करने का. ये लिफ्ट से पढ़ाई करेंगे, माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करेंगे. दुनिया में कुछ तो उखाड़ ही लेंगे. Turns out उखाड़ लिया. So then I started my Instagram page and my online presence as like the brand's name is Style Alchemy by Priyanshi, and it's doing quite good. It's been I think 1.5 years now. So Create Bites तो चल ही रहा है parallelly में. There's something extra that I'm doing out of it.
I don't know if you can just give them quick tips about their personal grooming and kind of little well-being, because they will all be applying for industry internship.
Makes sense.
They have done a lot of courses, professional skills and communication skills, but I think you don't start applying it until and unless you take yourself very seriously and every day or every opportunity, every time very seriously.
How to be out there, how to present
Yes,
yourself.
tell them about
Networking,
from your,
communications.
so you can give all those kind of insights to students.
Okay. So this all is newly constructed, right?
Yeah.
So this is the kitchen. 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 So this
She's co-founder of Create Bites, and rest her journey is very interesting.
So this session is about personal branding. How many of you know? Raise of hands maybe. Perfect. So I studied Masters of Design 2016 to 18. 18 I post-graduated. Before that I did electricals and electronics engineering. So I have a very diverse background, but my idea of life was very clear. I knew exactly what I wanted from my life, and I still know. Tomorrow if you ask me something else, I will tell you what I need to do, because that saves me a lot of time. And that is exactly, you guys also have to figure out for yourself. If you don't do it right now, probably somebody else will do it for you, and you will have to follow that path, or you will end up doing something which you don't like and love at all, and you will be miserable in your life. Trust me. I can't be you, you can't be me, I can't be Deepika Padukone can't be me, right? So everyone is unique in their own way, and that is exactly what you need to take out and bring it out there on the table in the market for people to know you. But if you're not able to present your work, if you're not able to bring yourself out loud, nobody's going to know you. Nobody will know you even existed, right? So why are we all here today? We are designing the most important brand, which is you. When people are looking for personal stylists in Delhi, let's say, they were able to look at my profile and get in touch with me. Okay, see, imagine somebody sitting kitne saat samundar par is able to find you. Why? Because you are present out there in the market. Now imagine if my profile was not there on any sort of social media, I would not be able to help people. So how you make others feel, what is your goal, what is your presence, why are you here, everything accumulates to a brand. It's what people say about you when you are not there. Are they speaking good about you? Are they speaking ill about you? It's that feeling that someone gets when they see your portfolio, your LinkedIn, your online presence, or probably just hear your name. Okay, so now you met Priyanshi. The next time somebody talks about Priyanshi, you will have an image already in your mind. Visual identity, aesthetic, and design language. Why do you see I have my brand colors a certain way? You will go check my Instagram, you will feel a visual aesthetic going around. I'm not black and white on LinkedIn, I'm not red and yellow on my website, and I'm not pink and beige on my PPTs. I am 1 or 2 or 3 colors. My visual brands remain the same throughout my platforms. But your values, what are your ethics, what do you stand by, and how you show up. Visual identity, communication style, digital presence. How you show up is everything. In person, online, offline, everywhere. If you are showing up, are you groomed properly? Are you wearing good clothes? Are you wearing ironed clothes? Or is your hair messy? Are your nails chipped off? Everything, every tiny detail is going to matter, and it's really, really important. Social media में बहुत बढ़िया पेज बना लिया, 20,000 followers आ गए, that's not all. No. But if I meet you in person, I should feel that it resonates. Her social media page and her offline presence is resonating with each other. It should not feel like, oh, ये कौन है? ये तो बिल्कुल अलग है यार सोशल मीडिया पे. ऐसा काम नहीं करना है. What do you think, according to you, is going to make you stand out, that will land you the job and not that person?
And maybe the way I solve the problem for the person.
So storytelling and problem solving is what you feel is unique about you. Interview तो लग जाएगा, but your personal brand will keep you there and gets you invited back. But job कैसे मिलेगी? Communications, presentation, क्या कपड़े पहन के आए हो, बात कैसे कर रहे हो, प्रॉपर्ली ग्रूम्ड हो या नहीं, ढंग से बात कर पा रहे हो या नहीं, ढंग से अपनी डिजाइन एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहे हो या नहीं. That is exactly what might land you the job. आपको पता है 3, 4, 5 साल पहले एक बूम आया था पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का. ब्रांड एज अ ब्रांड की ब्रांडिंग everyone is doing. Today, if I have a personal brand, if I open 10 businesses tomorrow, all of them are going to be selling really nice. Why? Because the brand is under my name. Take celebrities for that example. आलिया भट्ट, एड मामे, सुपर यू, रणवीर सिंह. क्या किया उन्होंने पहले स्ट्रेटेजिकली? सुपर यू को डायरेक्टली लॉन्च नहीं किया. पहले बोला मैं एक ब्रांड हूँ, मुझे सब जानते हैं, अब मैं 5 चीजें बना दूंगा ना, सब खरीद लेंगे आंख बंद कर. You run after one thing, you will be only able to sell one thing. But you run after selling yourself, you can sell 10 other things in the world. You need to know your niche. You should have that clarity in your mind. Design कर लोगे, हाँ क्या सब कुछ, nobody will hire you. Consistency, same voice, same values everywhere. Because जब आप खुद की ब्रांड को ही consistent तरीके से पोर्ट्रे नहीं कर पाओगे, एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाओगे, दुनिया में नहीं ला पाओगे, how do you expect the other person to believe? Being visible out there.
So 3 words which I have decided is conceptual, detail oriented, and visual. Conceptual is whenever I'm designing something, there should be concept. Like for example, I'm designing this shirt. So this flower is a concept based, like it's a fallen hibiscus on the water. Blue color is representing the water, and it's the hibiscus flower. And detail oriented is why? Because I have used like 5 different shades of red color, and that's why it's detail oriented. And the visuals, it's like visually
aesthetic. Good. Even if उन्होंने ये shirt design नहीं भी किया होता, for example, तो भी I would have known the way he's speaking for himself, the way he's out there in the world.
So I have written authentic storytelling and detail oriented. Like storytelling, I have written because I do a lot of photography. So I love to explain my story through the photos. So that's why I've written storytelling. Detail oriented, I like to add detail in everything. Authenticity, I'm not able to explain this one.
Authenticity is very simple. You are true to yourself and you don't copy paste things. So we understood why we are doing this exercise.
When she was studying here and she was welcomed by the director then to be judging the show. That to be for undergrad in itself is a big accomplishment for the race that you are.
So you always need to make some extra money, right? I used to work for this company. Okhla में उनका office है. उनको ना product photography से मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Nothing at all, zero. Product photographer उनको चाहिए था. Every Saturday I used to go there. I used to spend my weekends there for like sit there for 6 to 8 hours every Saturday, so 4 days a week. I only used to earn 2,500 rupees a month. मैं उनके लिए product photography करती थी. Just because मुझे एक extra experience मिल गया. And never say no to anything. Even if you don't like anything, just do it. Take the experience. At least you know you don't need to do it. Now you have the experience. मैं इजिप्ट की बात करूँ जब हम गए थे तो हमारे 2 स्टार्टअप सेलेक्ट हो गए थे. दोनों में से एक जने को पिच करना था. It was the first pitch of my life. My entire life. And Aditya was like, for Krigat you will have to do it and for Yugyo I will take it. I was like, no I can't do it. घबरा गई मैं. तो मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है? करना तो पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ले लिया चैलेंज, कर लिया पिच, जाके फर्स्ट प्राइज भी लेके आ. It will happen when you are not expecting it. But to express genuine appreciation. Genuinely start interacting with people, socializing with them. कोई आपने बोला मेरी शादी है, I'm getting married today. Somebody is literally turning up in shorts and pajamas. Will you like it? It is a huge event for you, right? Will you like it? No. You will feel bad. Going for NIFT interview, what do you think you will wear? You want to wear formals and professionals, right? Why do you think I'm dressing up like this? Because that's what my intention is. I want to portray myself as a professional person in front of you. That I know my business. Make sure yours say what you want them to say.
What I should have in my portfolio for a UI UX job?
First of all, good projects. And as I mentioned multiple times, that don't just show the outcome. Let's say you are creating a case study on behalf. If you want to create a website of your own, Framer, feel free. Segregate each and every project. The 2 things that a recruiter will look, the first thing that I look at is the portfolio. If it's not aligning with my brand's vision, I will not even look at your resume. For example, if I talk about Create Bytes, the vision is very aesthetic, clean, confident. So we are assembling here for a quick video and a photo with all the students. So yeah. Okay, can we all say hi to the camera? तो हमारी क्लास वहाँ होती थी एकदम पीछे.
Our classes were being.
We have a visitor. Becky.
Oh wow.
Same as mine. Yes, guys, tell me.
We wanted to get some insights from you
Okay.
about those ideas. We were looking at the marketing angle, which you said that, and we were thinking that we can divide them on the basis on the pickup industry. हम लोग उसको किस basis पे segregate कर सकते हैं?
Now you want my help in understanding कि segregate कैसे कर सकते हैं. If the brand name gives certain insights of ours and then our plan is ready right there. And of course we can always add and tweak it as per our own processes because at the end आपका भी creative angle होगा जो उसके अंदर जाएगा. So that is what a problem statement I gave them. I don't think कि हमें ये industry wise करना चाहिए. मोटा सब चीज़ सब लोगों के लिए ना एक चीज़ होती है which Stanley might now explain it to you.
So I fed everything. इसको मैंने सब कुछ feed किया. अभी अभी मेरे पास काफी सारे.
We have Stanley explaining the marketing process to the NIF students.
What did you say?
On another note, how was the session?
It was motivational
yeah, it was
for
very
me.
insightful.
I think it was very clear. It was very precise, and this is what we wanted to know about it.
Presentation also was very nice. Thank you so
The
much.
presentation, especially.
Especially hard.
It felt very well put. We have had a lot of industry experts, but this one stood out.
Thank you.
Seriously, they loved you.
Everyone I meet becomes a fan of me. Because I am authentic. I will not portray myself in a certain way which I am not. I'm
Yeah.
just the way I am, and probably people are liking me for the same reason. That she's not fake, she's not making things up. She's just the way she is, and this is how they would like to know me. How do these celebrities pull off, I don't know, 5 inches of heel, 10 hours a day?
Lots and lots
I can't do it for more than 3 hours. I'm just dead. I want to sit in my car and take my footwear off right away. Second floor दिख रहा है ये वाला. यहाँ left में हमारी class होती थी वहाँ पे.
Okay, that corner.
There, yeah, here inside it.
Cheers.
So a good day. So girls, just fly me wherever you are the next time you want to book me for a shopping session. So the talk was great. I did manage to keep 80% of the students alive by the end of 2 hours, which means I succeeded. I'm just a little tired at the moment because I was standing in like 5 inches of heels for more than 3 hours. I've taken down my shoes, feel much better. But we still have 40 odd minutes to reach our office. So again, काम अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, काम अब चालू होगा. So just sipping on the coffee and heading to office. Meanwhile, I will just take a note of things that I need to do in the office, which are like key priority, so that the other stakeholders का decision fog ना हो और हमारा कोई काम ना रुके. तो यहाँ भी हम काम करेंगे और वहाँ जाके भी हम काम करेंगे. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned for the work.